got him talking, guys. I've got him talking! And that's how you start a new day and a new vlog. We are at the bird world in Leicester. Having a nice little chat with this kookaburra here. They're quite vocal creatures. This is a predator. These are amazing little hunters. But before guys watch today's video, please remember to subscribe, rate, and comment, hit that notification bell, guys. If not, hit that notification bell and enjoy today's video. Get some popcorn, sit back, relax, and tell me down below what you think about today and what you've been up to. Just tell me a bit about yourself. I always like to hear from you. So that's a little kookaburra there. Absolutely gorgeous little creatures. Amazing little predators. And I got them to talk to me. That's pretty cool. I didn't expect it to actually work. But these are absolutely gorgeous little creatures. So with that said, shall we sit back, relax, and I'm going to show you the rest of, well, I'm going to show you some more of the animals what are at this tropical world, Just feeding these some nuts, guys. Absolutely beautiful little parrots. These are gorgeous. Fed these two here, just sharing. One which is pretty cool, and this one up here is the other one. These are absolutely beautiful little parrots. Absolutely gorgeous little place. They are free ranging in this enclosure here, as you can see. They've got no cage here whatsoever. Absolutely beautiful little place. And these birds are absolutely amazing, guys. I thought I should take you on this journey, guys, just because it's going to be a pretty cool day. Lots of woodlands around here as well, guys. Lots of enclosures and just a pretty cool little area. And birds, a lot of good, cool little birds. And he took that one off me really nice and gently. And look the way they use the tongue. It's like a hand, they're actually pretty cool. Shove it down, get what they need. And you can pick out the nuts from them big ones as well. Pretty cool. Let's show you the rest of the animals. It's time to look around the free range birds. As you can see, it's one of them. Some more here, all the way around. So with that said, guys, let's get some closer with these gorgeous little birds. All free range, you can feed them all some nuts and they can come on if they want to. Pretty cool little experience. So with that said, shall we go and have a look around, guys? Let's go. So guys, that was the parrots, guys, what we went through, the whole walkthrough. It's absolutely amazing. They're all free range, running around and just chilling. They go on you, put your finger up, they go on you. They're absolutely beautiful. You can feed them peanuts. You just have a good experience with them. Sit on your shoulders, will jump on you and play with you. Pretty cool. Yeah, so them blue ones, what look like from the film Rio, are actually worth 15 grand each, between 10 and 15 grand. That's pretty good, a lot of money. They're actually endangered. I forgot the name of the species, if I'm honest with you. They're actually endangered, and the mum and dad's here, and they've kept 2 babies themselves. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So with that said, shall I show you around the rest of the bears, what are around here? In the aviaries. It's just some aviaries here. I'll show you all them, and then I'll take it from there. So that's the tour, guys. Hope you liked it. Please remember, subscribe, rate, comment, hit that notification bell if you've not hit the notification bell yet. And I promise you, I shall see you in the next video. I am going to turn the vlog off now, guys, because I've got to drive all the way back home, and I'm going to have to spend some time with the family tonight. If that's okay with you guys, I just have some me time. But yeah, it's been absolutely amazing hanging out with you guys again. Again, let me know in the comments down below if you like it. What would you like to see in another vlog? My favourite bird here today was the kookaburras. Absolutely amazing. I got them to talk back to me. That was pretty cool. Absolutely beautiful. And they are beautiful little predators over there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.